Hi, this is Ethan, and today we're going to learn about decimal multiplication and division. But let's start with decimal multiplication. There's a clever way that you can make decimal multiplication just like the multi-digit multiplication. So if you haven't already watched that video, be sure to watch that. Okay, let's try 2.4 times 1.2. The first step is really pretend that the decimal points were there. And then you multiply 24 and 12. 2 times 4 will be 8, and 2 times 2 will be 4, and 0 this, 1 times 4, and 1 times 2. And then you add these up. And you get 288. But that's the answer to 24 times 12, not 2.4 times 1.2. So, the total, we actually shifting that decimal points to the right. So we had to shift the total shift to the left on this number. Since it's two places, we shift. And you get 2.88. So, and that's the answer. Now let's try decimal division. If you haven't already watched a video of long division, be sure to watch that first. So, let's start with a decimal dividend. 8.1 divided by 9. Well, you can just pretend the decimal point weren't there and try to do 81 divided by 9. Well, 81 divided by 9 is 9. And bring up the decimal point to get 0.9 or 0.9. But what if you have both a decimal dividend and a decimal divisor? Like 1.2 like 2.4 divided by 1.2. Well, let's think about equivalent fractions, like 1 over 2. If we multiply both the top and the bottom by 10, you get an equivalent fraction. But it's the same as shifting one place to the right. So we can do the same thing to this one. Since division is basically a fraction, you can shift the decimal until it is a whole number. But you have to do to both of them. So 2.4 divided by 1.2 is the same as 24 divided by 12. Then that would be 2. And it's the same if the dividend is a whole number, like 1.2 divided by 2.4. You can shift the decimal point to the right and shift the 24 decimal point to the right, which will make it 240. Okay.